only going to be able to see the very tip of the cias. Again, you want to check from all angles. Make sure you have a straight line running through the center of the bow. Bow blank is complete. Move on to the next step. So at this point you got your bow blank, the glue has cured, and what you're going to do now is you're going to contour the transitions, meaning here and here. You're going to try and make it like the cia grew out of the bamboo limb. So you want to just have a clean transition here. You're going to thin out some of the cia, and you're going to round off and contour the handle and grip area. And that's before you do the wrap, so we're going to do that now. And I'll show you how I do that. Now when you want to take your rasp, or your tool of choice, you can take a smaller rasp or a fine file and just kind of baby step it along. Or you can take a rasp using the aggressive side, going after the right angle first and kind of taking that edge off. And working your way down towards the limb, but not hitting the bamboo. You're just trying to get as close as you can, so it creates a nice, just smooth transition right there. You're going to take off some of the material from the sides, some of that meat there. You're going to be taking glue and bamboo and wood with you. And what you're going to do is work up into the cia. Start to thin it and bevel those edges. Like that. Once you have the basic contour worked out, you're going to come around to the front and continue to take down some of that height. You don't need all that height, but you do need some of it for structural stability, but you want to just make, again, like it grew out of the bamboo limb. This is also why you don't want too aggressive of a rasp. It'll just work against you. But if you have, that's all you got, then you switch to the fine side, and it just takes you a little longer. Now the ends are kind of critical that you leave them wide but flat, because when your string loops come down and we tie your string later, you're going to have the loops are going to sit right there on the flat surface, wide flat surface. It's going to act like a string bridge, and it's going to receive the string, so that when the string returns home, when you loose an arrow, it won't slide to one side or the other. So you want to just take that straight down. So as you can see, I'm flattening this, but I'm leaving the width so that when the string returns home, it has a place to land, and you want to make sure this is perfectly flat, not slanted one way or the other, or that's the way the string will fall. And the bow could unstring itself, so flat and wide. And you can check that by sighting down this way, and it will tell you if there's any material that needs to be taken off of one side or the other. You want it flat across, so the string will lay dead center. Okay. Now I'm going to remove material off the other side here. So now that you got your cias, transition, and contouring done, and thinning, the bulk of it at least done, we're going to move on to the handle area, and you're going to contour your grip. Again, you want to take care of these right angles and these sharp edges, so you're going to use the fine side this time. And you're going to start, just make a purchase point right there and start to round that edge over to where it'll blend in and contour with the handle. And you're going to do that all the way up to about 1/2 inch from your fade right here. You don't want to come up into the limb on that. You're just going to round these transitions right here so that you have a nice, sleek, contoured grip. And you can go ahead and knock the nodes down if they're going to be hidden underneath the final wrap. If you don't want any knobs protruding, so you can go ahead and knock that down with the fine side of your rasp or file. I do, however, like to leave some height right there where the limbs come to the center. That leaves a really good position for your fingers that should be relaxed. It gives it a good place for them to hang out and sit in your grip. It really gives you a nice point of contact. Again, moving away from the back. Now I'm going to move to the aggressive side and just thin out the arrow pass area on the A side, top side of the handle. Just get some of that width out of there that you don't need. Now you want to make sure that the center line, you want to keep in mind the imaginary center line of your handle to where both sides come to that point as you contour your handle and round it to fit your hand. Take a little bit off, check it, that it's moving towards center, check how it feels in the hand, and then match the other side. I like to leave a little heel right there. It's a good spot for your palm to sit. It gives a quick and easy reference point when you grip your bow. It's comfortable too.